All right, let's use LaserDash-IT to generate an image, and then we will turn it into an SVG vector. So I pressed the image, Open Dude's unique image generator button on the bottom down there, and we will think of something. Let's make a comic book. All right, so that's what I typed, and we'll press generate image, generate a unique photo, I mean. I see I have some typos in my text there, but it'll figure it out, it's okay. Oh, perfect, that's nice. Let's save that and work with that. Let's go ahead and open up that image we just generated there. Here we are. All right, nice. First thing, we'll do a pixel restoration. Then after, we will pre-process the image. You can see how much bigger it's made it and how much nicer already. Add a little bit of work into there, I see. So we'll pre-process now. After this is complete, we'll simply come down to this button here and we'll turn it into an SVG, a scalable vector graphic. And that way you don't really have to burn this as a photograph and use those skills. It's a little bit easier to engrave a vector. And as a bonus, it'll be a realistic vector too. It won't be cartoony. We're just waiting. It's a rather large photo after we do a pixel restoration, so it's too big a large photo right now. And my computer is slow, so. All right, now let's go ahead and press this button here. And the first thing I like to do here is check this box and then press preview. If we need to adjust the brightness or contrast, we can do so after. And just kind of look at the original. Knock the contrast down a little bit there. And turn the brightness up just a smidge. We'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and save that. Then we'll open it up in Library and show you guys the result. Takes a little bit. It is creating a vector out of this image, so give it a minute. And my computer is slow because we're doing a screen recording and I hardly have any hard drive space, so bear with me here. All right, that is finished. Come on over to Library and open it up, or import it, I say. Here it is. And we'll probably import pink. We'll change that to black afterwards. Down here. Change that to black. And you can see it's 56 inches tall. We probably don't want it or need it that tall, so we'll go ahead and knock that down to 5 inches. You can make it any size. It is vector, so that's, excuse me, that's the nice part about it. All right, I'll click off of it and we'll go preview what we did here. Let's zoom in here. You can see over here it says fill, so it definitely is a vector. It's not a photograph anymore. All that's left to do is go on over to the laser and burn it. Thanks for watching.